Now, let's talk about SLAs. SLAs are service level agreement where the request starts to count the execution time when certain events occur in the request. Why do we use SLA? Go to project setting, SLAs. We use SLAs to set time goals with service level agreements to help drive better quality of services across your service project team. First of all, go to calendars, add your own calendar. Let's name it, for example, uh, my company calendar. Okay, in Cairo, the work days are every day except Friday and Saturday. We work from 9 to 5 p.m. Click on. We can add holidays if there are a public holiday and then click save. Now, my calendar created. Let's add a new SLA, for example, called time to close the ticket. A new SLA. The target I want it to be the agent should solve it in 5 hours. Choose your calendar. SLA 6 hours. Choose your calendar. And I want it to be 6 hours when the request type equal for example renewal or request type equal activate my card. Here the SLA will be 6 hours, count from 9 to 5 when the request type is renewal or the request type is activate my card. We will discuss and explain the GQL more in the upcoming videos. Click save. I click save. I want to add another SLA to be 1 hour when the request type equal deactivate my card. Save. Now I will have to add a conditions. When the SLA to start counting, when to pause, and when to finish. I want the SLA to start counting when it enters the status called in progress, finish counting when enters the status done, and pause when the status is approved or declined. Now let's save and test. There are two more SLAs in this project, time to resolution, which is a default SLA. These are the conditions, goal, it start counting when the issue created, no pauses, and finish when the resolution is set. So let's test our SLA recently created. Let's go back to the project, create a new ticket, let's name it as test, and I want to activate my card. Let's create it. Card number 234. Create view issue. Reload. Here you can find the SLA, but it's not started yet, as we made to start when the entered status is in progress. So when we go to in progress, click on the refresh, you can find that it will start count. I have to finish it within 6 hours. It will finish in 3 p.m. tomorrow. Now it is paused. Why it is paused? It is paused because I am out of the working hours. If I am within the working hours, it will continue counting. Let's make it in the counting hours. Go to project setting, SLAs. For example, my company SLA, edit. Today is Saturday. I work till, let's make it 23. Save. Okay. Let's go back to the same ticket. Where? The recently created one. Here I can find that the time is running because it is within the working hours. Only 6 hours remaining. If I changed the request type, for example, to deactivate my card, I can find that I have to solve it within 1 hour. Now, proved, the SLA should be paused. If I make it done, the SLA will be closed. This represents the status of the request. The following icons are used. The clock. If the clock is aqua, it symbolizes that the SLA is still being measured. However, if the clock is red, it symbolizes that the request is overdue and the SLA has been breached. The pause. If the clock has stopped counting. On the SLA, a pause icon is displayed. This may occur, for example, when you are waiting for a customer to provide additional information according to your conditions. Red cross if you have breached the SLA. Green check. Once you complete the request within the SLA, it will display as a green. So we have here time to first response and time to resolution. This shows the type of SLA that is being measured and the time for the request to be resolved. SLA name. You can click on the number of hours to see which calendar has been used to measure the SLA. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on LinkedIn. Thank you.